If your YouTube videos are getting 0 views, or just a handful, don't panic, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly why this happens, and how you can fix it, starting today. And trust me, most small creators are making one simple mistake that absolutely kills their reach. Here's the deal. When you upload a video, YouTube doesn't just blast it out to thousands of people. Instead, it shows your video to a tiny test audience, just a handful of viewers. What happens next? YouTube watches 3 things. Number 1, do people actually click your video? Number 2, do they stick around and watch for a while? And number 3, do they interact, like comment, maybe even share? If these signals are weak, YouTube basically gives up on your video. No more recommendations, no more views. So what's the first big mistake? Bad titles. Your title is literally the first thing people see. If you name your video something like new video or my first vlog, people just scroll right past. Instead, your title should make people curious or promise to solve a problem. For example, instead of tips for YouTube growth, go with something like why your YouTube videos get 0 views. Fix this today. See the difference? People want answers, and they click to find out. Mistake number 2. Weak thumbnails. Honestly, your thumbnail is even more important than your title. If it's cluttered, dark, or just confusing, people ignore it. The best thumbnails are super simple and emotional. Big text, clear images, strong contrast. Even just 0 views in bold grabs attention instantly. And mistake number 3. The slow start. Most viewers decide in the first 3 seconds if they'll keep watching, so don't waste time with "Hey guys, welcome back." Instead, jump right to the problem. Try something like, stop scrolling if your YouTube videos are getting 0 views. That instantly hooks people in. So if you fix these 3 things, better titles, better thumbnails, stronger hooks, your videos will get more clicks, more watch time, and YouTube will start sharing them with more people. Remember, every big YouTuber started with almost no views. They just got better at strategy. If you want more tips on YouTube growth and earning online, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.